I would like to quickly point out that John the Mouse Video has a large selection of videos from North and South America for your viewing pleasure. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now let's get into the cheese of the matter. This caboose was designed and built by the International Railway Car Company. 100 cars of this class, CA8, was constructed in 1964. This car rolled onto the tracks in October 1964 from the Kenton, Ohio, USA factory. Its weight is 56,500 pounds. The Union Pacific numbered the caboose 25561. This caboose had the stronger standard railway diagonal roof panels, known as brand name StanRay panels, were riveted along the connecting seams just like the rest of the cabooses. In 1969, all 100 CA8s were upgraded to include all the new features required of the cabooses in the system-wide pool service, such as radios, axle, generators, interior and exterior lighting, and water hopper toilets. The Union Pacific retired this caboose in June 15, 1989. It was donated to the town of Sinclair, Wyoming in September 1989. This retired Union Pacific caboose is on display in the park in the south edge of town of Sinclair, Wyoming. Somewhere between 9/22, 2012 to May 25th, 2016, Wasatch Railroad contractors repainted the exterior of the caboose and put new end steels on. After it came back, they moved it to a different location inside the park to have a stage built next to it, as you see in the video. John the Mouse travel map is available for Google Maps. It will help plan your route to the locations of your favorite videos. It is free to use. I have the link below. Please visit the playlist tab for videos that I have sorted for you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button